Hello guys, let me introduce you this new fence. This is the old one. What's the difference between these two? The old one, click by this. But what's about the new one? Turn off like this. See? This is the difference between these two. This new switch, delete speed, high, mid, low. See? And this two connector. One is USB, one is DC. The USB one can connect to power bank, 5 volt power bank. The DC one can connect to the 7.4 volt DC connector. Let me show you this one with power bank. High, middle, low, off. See this two? Okay. This two connect to the air conditioning jacket. Different mode. Yeah. Just like this. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you need more detail, please click the website below. Thank you.